I'm here at the Melkbos 4x4 trail, and I'm here with GWM, and they're just taking some corporate clients out to experience the GWM tank 300 as well as the Haval H7, which is going to be interesting on the trails today. We've got some sand here, a little bit of a rocky course, but mostly sand as far as I'm told is the route. And yeah, I was going to have a look and see how these vehicles perform. I mean, obviously we know, looking at this channel, the tanks are amazing. Today we've got the diesel tank here as well, which is the 2.4T with the all-terrain tires. The tires have already been deflated, so the guys are ready to go. So yeah, join me on this little outing and enjoy the footage. So there we have the P300 Limited. This one comes stock standard with steel bumpers, all-terrain tires, a front winch, rear steel bumpers, front locking differential. I mean, this is the ultimate bakkie, and at such great value. It's even got steel rock sliders, as you can see there, and red brake calipers. But yeah, this thing is awesome, ready to go, ready to hit the trails. It's got some rated recovery hooks here as well, as you can see, nice and beefy. Comes with a nice integrated tow bar. I mean, this thing is ready to go. Lovely. Even though the tires were not deflated, she still pulled through this obstacle and all the obstacles ahead. Pretty impressive.
Got it in front difflock.
Well, the tight corner is gonna not let you turn lacquer.
Yeah.
Put the rear one on maybe. Is the front? That's the rear one. Yeah,
That's the rear.
That's the rear. Yeah, the X on the back.
Going up Adams, you must actually definitely take a ride.
Yeah.
Filming that thing.
All the way into the bushes there. I wonder if the other oaks saw that rock. Very mindful of that thing.
Clap the rims there.
Jeez, yeah.
See the one here on the right, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to be
key
like,
stump as well. Yeah. Puncture tires.
This side.
they went over there, eh?
Did they? Or down here?
Shit.
I think down here.
Lekker Steven, you're getting more now, lekker sterker vriend.
Yeah.
You're getting a little bit more comfortable now.
A little bit more comfortable. Well, the sand mode actually making a big difference.
Is it?
Yeah.
It just allows more wheel spin.
Yeah.
So you keep on momentum.
Not pushing that when it's braking, it's not pushing that
Yeah, it
sand
slows
up
you
in front of you.
down,
Yeah. Well, I must say, now it feels 1,000 times better than what it did with just in 4 loads.
There we go.
Put the rear locker on.
That's wild. Right hold on. Okay, bring it.
This is what we lock in this side. This is what we lock in.
Boys and toys, eh?
Idle.
Only, well.
Yeah, nice on.
Can give it a little bit of a rev.
Plug it in the exhaust.
spinning the exhaust. Oh, nice squeeze.
I've never needed to use one. This is interesting. Now we've had to obviously get the recovery vehicle to recover the bakkie, and as you can see in that last clip, the tire pressures were still at road pressures, like 2.4 bar. So obviously you're going to get stuck if you do that, and obviously the drivers are a bit novice, so that's why the bakkie got stuck. Otherwise, you know, the soil is pretty compact here today because it was overcast and a bit of rain, so we shouldn't have gotten stuck. But that's really the reason, because tire pressures are key in off-road situations, especially in sand. And yeah, we're running 2.4 bar. We've since dropped it down to about 1.2, but the bakkie is still sitting on the belly.
Right. Carl, you ready? Okay. Out. Okay. No, whoa. Stop. Come on. Thank you.
And that's how it's done. Tire pressure is good on this one. Go, Carl, go. No. Back. That's it, keep it going. Go. Easy. Easy for the tank. Tire pressure looks hard on this one as well, but momentum's there. That's it. That's the way you drive it. And this one's tire pressure is also hard. Actually, look how it's cutting into the sand there. But it made easy work of it. Tire pressure, very hard.
Jump in.
Yeah.
Go. To the front. Same.
Oh.
No, it's all good.
Just keep foot through.
Yeah. I'm just trying to avoid the flipping bushes more than anything else.
All's finally pretty lekker, hè?
Very good. Tanks almost a slop. I don't want to get all sloppy.
Wait.
And I'm like, you
Oh, shit. That's it.
See, Steve, you're getting a hang of it.
Yeah, I'm getting it now.
Balls to the wall.
That's it.
He's got a lekker job for Monday. Looking good.
Alright guys, so that concludes the outing today. Hope you enjoyed the footage. I must say I had a little spin in the P300 Limited, or the LTD. That thing is super capable. I mean, we're actually running it with, well, they decided to run it with tyres still hard. And yes, the sand here is not that soft today, it's a little bit damp. But still, I mean, that thing performed very well. It's very nimble. That 2.4 turbo diesel motor is actually very powerful. We ran it in 4 high, which was the sand mode, and yeah, just plenty of power. That I think it's an 8 or 9 speed gearbox, I don't know, but in first gear it's really low, and so it gives you great power. And yeah, good gearbox, manual shifting. I prefer the manual shifting, but yeah, it was excellent. I mean, very nimble, very well balanced. I mean, I was kind of doing a little bit of a rally go there, and it handled very well through the sand. Good response on the accelerator. I was very impressed. So also a good feel on the steering wheel. Yeah, it just feels very good, very solid and reassuring. So anyway, that's it for today, and I want to thank GWM Plumstead, Thorpe in total. I just want to thank Thorpe for allowing me to come on this this outing, and yeah, I enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed watching us enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, like, subscribe if you think this content is valuable to you or you like the content, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Cheers.